Of people around the world get up every day to pursue money one way or another. Very few succeed to fetch it, yet a great majority find it difficult to get as much as they would love to have. Even the little they scratch out soon disappears in the ocean of bills and other responsibilities. And you ask why? What is responsible for this difficulty? Hello, my name is Ninta Suko, a former teacher, lecturer both at university and polytechnic. I hold a PhD in educational management, planning, and supervision. I also specialize in business management. I have been a polytechnic rector, but now an entrepreneur and founder of College of Wealth and Entrepreneurship, where I now teach business management to my students, teach people how to make money and to grow their businesses. Something interesting happened over those years while I played these roles I've already mentioned to you. So being an educator and a businessman afforded me the opportunity to observe people, how they struggle to earn income on daily basis, monthly basis, over time and year. With decreasing job opportunities, I observed that many young people, including older people who have once been working and are not working, people become helpless, particularly young people, the young school leavers, without source of income. So the question was, inside my head was, why? What is responsible? How can this be corrected? My search further led me to discover that what our school systems teach and how these courses are taught and the students themselves are taught have a direct relationship with the school leavers' capacity to create income for themselves. My search further revealed that many people, civil servants and business people, they suffer because our school systems have failed to teach the needed skill set or knowledge that could help people to be self-dependent, to be able to create sufficient income in the absence of jobs in the civil service or large corporations. It's sad that our school systems don't teach people how to create businesses and jobs. They are taught only to be very efficient servants for government, department, and for other large business houses, and no more. So in other words, we are not taught, our schools don't teach our children how to make money. And in the face of decreasing paid employment, what happens? Would they continue to remain idle? Would they continue to remain dependent on parents for so long? Of course, we know the implication, political and other implications arising from such joblessness. So that's why when you listen to the internet and you see people touting different methods of making money, some are outright scam. Do this and make money, do this. Even if they were legitimate, you see, it would still be difficult for many young people to make money from these touted opportunities, so-called opportunities that are given to people. Why? Even if those opportunities were legitimate, they cannot do any meaningful activities, any meaningful effort cannot be spent that will bring in money and solve the problems in the first place, because they lack the fundamental. Young people, school leavers lack the fundamental knowledge of money. And even those that our parents, our forebears and the rest who have all along been in business, they can't make any significant difference. Why? Because they themselves equally have a gap in their knowledge of the business they do. So that leads me to the objectives of this channel, the College of Wealth and Entrepreneurship channel. By that, I'm going to list out what this channel seeks to achieve in order to benefit you, my viewers. 1. This channel seeks, in the days to come, through the videos, through the discussions that would be held, seeks to teach the secret about money that majority of people lack. It is also to teach how to improve businesses and increase incomes and therefore build wealth. As for school leavers, we would teach them how to reorganize or organize their university, polytechnic, and the rest, their college knowledge into jobs, sustainable jobs, and businesses. We will also teach how ordinary people can better organize their small businesses into larger businesses. Civil servants can also and will also be taught how to multiply their little salaries such that before retirement, they may not be able to experience the kind of turbulence, financial turbulence, that their forebears have experienced or those experiencing now. So they should be able to accumulate sufficient income to live a comfortable life until the days of their golden hair. So this channel seeks to identify and show to people the lifestyles that sabotage the ability to make money and so keeps them poor, keeps people poor and needy, and sometimes leads to early grave, because when troubles come that require money and behold you haven't enough to take care of it, lots of people have died and would continue to die through this process. And so we seek to fulfill these lots and lots more. We would also teach people through our tutorials, just like we do on our brick and mortar campus of the College of Wealth. So, have you found this video interesting? Have you found this video informative? Is it helpful? If that is so, then stay connected with this channel for more enlightenment in the years to come. And please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video so you can have new ones as they come up. So long.